So in this box, there's about $5,000 worth of sneakers. And in today's video, we're gonna find out what's inside. But first, I wanna give a huge thank you to Sole Premise for supporting the channel. Sole Premise is the premier sneaker bag carrying company. In fact, they make bags that are perfect for traveling with your sneakers. Sole Premise bags are TSA certified, which means you can bring them onto the airplane with you rather than having to check them underneath the airplane. So all of your valuable sneakers are always with you when you're traveling. And you may have already noticed, but Sole Premise just released a brand new camo collection. You've got blue camo, you've got green camo. I've got the Sole Premise signature bag in blue camo. The signature bag is my personal favorite bag because it holds 5 pairs of sneakers. You've got 2 in the front, you've got 2 more in the back, and then I saved the biggest pocket for last. You've got the bottom pocket. So my personal favorite bag, which you can see comes in this brand new snazzy blue camo as well as a green camo version, is a signature bag. So if you want to check out Sole Premise for yourself, make sure to click the link in the description below and use my code Seth for 40% off. And if you guys want to grab some of the best sneaker bags out there, I definitely recommend checking out Sole Premise. So I may have shaved a little bit prematurely because I filmed that promo and then I filmed this video and shaved in between. So there's a pretty drastic difference, but it's fine. It'll grow back. I just want to try something different and I'm regretting it already, so it is what it is. So the first box that I want to unbox for you guys is this box right here. This is actually a package that I got from Amazon, and this is something that I'm giving away. I'll explain the terms of the giveaway in a second once you guys see what's inside. So inside this box, we've got an Xbox Series S, and all you need to do to enter to win this brand new Xbox Series S is to click the link in the description below and subscribe to my tech channel. That channel has been so much fun for me. It's been such a nice switch up from sneakers. I'm not making that the main channel. It's just a nice side project that I really enjoy. So if you guys want to check out some of my tech reviews and maybe win an Xbox Series S, make sure to click the link in the description below. But now let's get into the main event, the sneakers. This is the package that you guys have been waiting for. So in this package, like I said, there's $5,000 worth of sneakers. These are 3 different pairs of sneakers that I traded for on Tradeblock. If you guys want to trade with me on Tradeblock, there will be a link in the description below. Now I'm actually going to be a little bit secretive about the sneakers that I traded in order to get these sneakers, how many pairs and what sneakers they were, because I've got a whole video coming out in the next couple weeks. Hopefully, it might be a month or 2. That'll explain all of that, and I don't want to ruin the surprise for you guys. So I'm going to open up this package and show you guys what I got in return, and I'm also not going to tell you what I'm going to do with these sneakers either, so there's that. So inside this box, we've got some incredible shoes, and hopefully, are they in order? I'm going to try and do them in price order. Oh, looks like they are. Perfect. So this first shoe is actually a pair of off-white Nike sneakers, as you can tell by the box. Nike swoosh and that nice gloss. You've got this really clean, basic cardboard box. This is actually a size 8.5, which is not exactly my size. I'm a size 9, but I could make it work if I had to. And then inside the box, we've got the Nike Blazer mids. Look at that. Brand new. Very, very clean. This is the Grim colorway, the Grim Reaper colorway. I don't remember exactly what the name of the shoe was. But a really clean, all black with a nice white accent. Now this shoe I've actually owned a pair of in the past. I own my actual size, a size 9. I got a second pair. And it looks like actually the text on the medial side is yellowing a bit. I didn't realize that happened, but apparently it does. Huh. That's too bad. It's still got all the tags on it. The shoe itself, like I said, is brand new. You've got the blue zip tie, which is pretty cool. I like when they go for this sort of light baby blue. The upper of the shoe comes in this plastic ripstop style material. You've got this nice little orange hit right there on the back. It's a fire sneaker, I'm not gonna lie. I really, really like this sneaker a lot. I think I prefer the orange one, or the All Hallows Eve one, or whatever it's officially called. But yeah, it's not a bad sneaker at all, and definitely a nice pickup, especially because it's brand new. So really happy with this. And like I said, I'm not gonna tell you guys what I'm doing with these shoes yet. Partly because I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with them yet. I don't know which ones I'm keeping, which ones I'm not keeping, and what, if I do sell them, what I'm selling them for. But I'll tell you guys later on. Like I said, video coming in the future, hopefully sooner than later. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet so you can stay tuned whenever there's new developments. With the next pair of sneakers that we have, you're going to know exactly what it is instantly, right from the box. You've got the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Lows. So of course this Fragment collaboration comes with a sleeve, or an outer sleeve on the box. The box itself comes in this nice cream color with blue accents, very clean. I actually have a pair of these. They're amazing. I love them. And then inside the box, we've got the shoes themselves. Forgot that the paper was pink. That's sick. So here they are, the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. Looking very clean, brand new, just like the other pair. Look at that. So fire. I love this shoe so much. This is probably my favorite release from last year, one of my favorite releases. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I don't like the newer version of this shoe, the one that's dropping this year, anywhere close to as much. I love Fragment. I love the blue and black and white Air Jordan 1 look. I love the Fragment ones. It's one of my grails. A pair of shoes that I'm probably never gonna have. So to have a low top version of essentially that same shoe with a cream backwards Nike swoosh was kind of a dream for me. I was really into this shoe, and I had to have a pair. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually glad that I now have 2 pairs of this shoe, one DS, one on ice, and then one pair that I wear on a pretty regular basis. But it's a very, very clean sneaker. It comes with a set of black laces, set of blue laces, and of course a set of pink laces. It comes pre-started with a set of cream laces, which I think is what I have in my current pair. I love how the cream laces match the midsole too. Very, very nice touch. Of course, you've got a cream colored tongue. On the back of the shoe, you've got the Wings logo. You've got the Cactus Jack right there. You've got the Travis face, I guess is what that is. And then, of course, your Fragment logo right there. Very, very clean look. I love the blue outsoles. Air Jordan 1 lows have kind of been, I guess, coming back into vogue recently. They weren't always as popular. But when you get collaborations like this on a pair of Air Jordan 1 lows, people are going to be all about it. And I'm going to be honest, I actually prefer the low top version significantly more than the high top version. I don't even really like the high top version. I would never pay however much is being asked for it. But not to say it's a bad shoe, it's just not something that I need to pay that much money for. This shoe, on the other hand, I absolutely love. I would pay resale for this shoe. And to have 2 pairs, I'm stoked. Okay, on to the last sneaker. The last shoe that we're unboxing in today's video, and by far the most expensive shoe that we're unboxing in today's video. So here it is, another pair of off-white Nike sneakers. So this is actually a pair from the original 10 collection. Other than the off-white Air Jordan 1s, this shoe is my favorite off-white Nike sneaker by far, by far. In this colorway, this style, everything about this shoe I love. Let's just pop the top, guys. Look at that, the off-white Nike Air Prestos, brand new in the OG colorway. So my pair, I do already have a pair of these. My pair is beat because I used to wear it all the time. I haven't worn it as much recently because I'm trying to wear through all the sneakers in my collection, which has proven to be a much harder thing to do than I thought. Regardless, this shoe is probably one of my favorite shoes in my collection. And like I said, outside of the Air Jordan 1s, this is my favorite off-white collaboration. This shoe is absolutely insane. Man, I have not held a DS pair of these, well, I think since my pair. These are incredible. So in addition to the white laces, this pair also comes with a set of green laces, a set of orange laces, and a set of black laces. You've got the original zip tie in the sort of reddish orange. It's more of a red, really. Off-white CO Nike C2017 zip tie. You've got that nice orange hit right there. You've got the Nike swoosh, which is funny because my Nike swoosh actually has glue stains inside that are yellowing. This one, you do have some glue stains, but they're not yellowing as badly as mine is. It's frustrating, but that's what happens, especially with, I guess, older shoes. Like the shoe is 5 years old now. And also, the shoe is designed to look like a prototype. So there are details that are a little bit rougher, and those details are obviously going to let some air in and allow for glue to yellow over time. You've got your Air text on the heel right there, very clean. You've got your outsole, which looks incredibly clean because it's never been worn. It's so weird to see this outsole clean and with nubs because mine is not clean and does not have the nubs anymore. But yeah, that's pretty much the entire unboxing. We've got the off-white Nike Prestos, we've got the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows, and of course we've got the off-white Nike Blazers. Make sure to let me know your thoughts in this unboxing in the comment section down below, and also which one of these shoes I should end up keeping. I'm considering keeping all of them, but I probably shouldn't, especially because I traded these for a specific reason. And again, I can't tell you guys what that is yet, but eventually. Also, don't forget to enter the Xbox Series S giveaway by clicking the link in the description below and subscribing to my tech channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.